Welcome back to Agent Mode AI, Episode 3. I'm Kim.
And I'm Darren. Great to be here again.
It is. And if you tuned into Episode 2, you know we were diving deep into how to transform a single task into an autonomous AI agent. Well, today, we're taking that idea and scaling it up big time.
Exactly. We're moving beyond the solo artist to the supergroup. Today, we're talking about multi-agent mode, how AI agents can collaborate and when they should. It's a fascinating evolution in the AI space.
So let's start with the basics, Darren. What exactly is a multi-agent system?
Simply put, it's a setup where you have multiple AI agents, each with a distinct role or specialization, all working together to achieve a larger, more complex goal. Think of it like a human team, where everyone has their specific job, but they're all aiming for the same outcome.
Right, and that's the key distinction from a single agent system, isn't it? Instead of one super agent trying to do everything, you've got the division of labor.
Precisely. A single agent might get overwhelmed or be less efficient trying to juggle research, writing, and editing, for example. But when you distribute those tasks across multiple specialized agents, you unlock some serious benefits.
Like what? Why would someone choose to go the multi-agent route?
Well, you get immediate delegation. Tasks are handed off to the agent best suited for them. Then there's specialization. Each agent can be finely tuned for a specific function, making them incredibly good at that one thing. This naturally leads to increased speed and parallelism because different parts of the process can happen concurrently. It's a massive leap in efficiency for complex workflows.
That sounds incredibly powerful, and it's not just a theoretical concept anymore, is it? There are actual tools emerging that make this possible right now.
Absolutely. This isn't science fiction. We're seeing frameworks like CrewAI gaining a lot of traction, allowing you to define agents, their roles, and how they interact. Then there's AutoGen from Microsoft, which provides agent groups that can collaborate. LangGraph is another fascinating one, building on LangChain, which lets you define stateful multi-actor applications with cycles.
And SuperAGI with its mesh architecture, which is all about creating interconnected, self-improving agents. These tools are really enabling the shift from individual AI agents to coordinated AI teams.
They truly are. To make this really concrete, let's walk through a classic example, a content creation pipeline. Imagine you want to generate a blog post from scratch.
Okay, so how would a multi-agent system handle that?
First, you'd have Agent 1, the researcher. Its job is to scour the internet for information on a given topic, identify key points, and perhaps even flag sources.
Then, once the research is done, Agent 2, the writer, steps in. It takes that raw research and crafts a first draft adhering to a specific tone or style.
Perfect. After the writer, Agent 3, the editor, gets to work. This agent reviews the draft for clarity, grammar, factual accuracy, and ensures it flows well and meets the content brief.
And finally, Agent 4, the publisher. Once the content is polished and approved, this agent might be responsible for formatting it, adding images, and then pushing it live to a blog or social media platform. That's a fully automated, specialized workflow.
Exactly. Each agent has a clear role, and they hand off their work seamlessly, mimicking a human team, but at AI speed.
That's the dream for a lot of businesses, I'm sure. But with great power comes, well, potential pitfalls, right? Are there situations where multi-agent systems are overkill or where they can go wrong?
Absolutely, Kim. For starters, if you have a simple, straightforward task that a single agent can handle perfectly, don't overcomplicate it with multiple agents. It's like using an entire orchestra to play a single note.
Good point. And what about common issues when you do use them?
The biggest pitfalls we're seeing right now include looping, where agents get stuck in repetitive cycles without making progress. Then there are task collisions, where agents might unintentionally interfere with each other's work. And probably the most critical, unclear roles. If agents don't have well-defined responsibilities, you end up with chaos, not collaboration. Clear definitions are paramount.
That makes a lot of sense. So, To our listeners, if you're feeling inspired by today's episode, we really encourage you to start small. Try building a simple multi-agent workflow using one of the tools we mentioned. It's a fantastic way to learn by doing.
It really is. And looking ahead, while collaboration is great, agents also need to remember things. So join us for episode 4, where we'll explore how to give your agent a memory that actually works.
That's going to be a crucial one. Thanks for tuning into Agent Mode AI. We'll catch you next time.
See you then.